Daniel, you made this?
Yeah, I'ma speak my mind. Yeah, tell me what you find. This original on the grind. Not no KFC chicken, but you know we get it fried. And I'm pulling up like I'm Zeus in the moonlight. Got the thunder strike, feeling like Zenitsu in my mind. Yeah, on my soul, yeah, on my kizzy kazzy. Yeah, we get really busy. Yeah, we see that super static. Super static. Let him have it. On the flow, I'ma have it. Yeah, I'ma have it. Got that static. Let it happen. Yeah, when I close my eyes and I enter into a new reality, gotta enter, press the escape key. Press the escape key, now I'm escaping. But I'm coming back, leave it shaking. Yeah, leave it shaking like I'm opening a portal. Can they get me? I don't know though. Cause when I close my eyes, I don't know what can happen when this fucking portal rise like it's Portal 2. Portals everywhere, opening like I don't care. When I open my eyes, yeah, I feel them anywhere, everywhere. On the float, yeah, bring it back. On the float, need to relax. Yeah, what frequency am I on? What hertz is this? Yeah, I leave your car shaking, I leave it blistering like a blizzard, bitch. Yeah, we in this shit. Yeah, I open my mind. Yeah, I'm releasing that energy. The energy, it come back to me. Yeah, it's static electricity. Let it happen now. Trigger squeeze. Yeah. Yeah. M17 reflex. Yeah, I flex. Yeah, come correct. Yeah, lay it to rest. Ayy. Yeah.